Hello everyone, this is me G. Vishwaraj from Savitha Engineering College under BTech Information Technology Department. So today I am going to discuss about how to control a relay using an IoT controller. So for this project I am using an Arduino microcontroller to explain it more efficiently and briefly. So let's move on to the experiment. So this is the GitHub repository I am using for explaining this project. So first we will move on to the aim of this project. The aim of this project is to control the relay using an Arduino microcontroller, and the software required for this project is Arduino IDE, which is basically an integrated development environment, and Proteus to check whether the output of the project is correct or not. Next move on to the procedure. So first we need to write the Arduino program to connect the hex file of that same program into our Proteus to check whether the output is correct or not. So now we will move on to the Arduino program of this experiment. So this is the Arduino program of the experiment I'm using now. So I'm just connecting a button pin to the A0 pin. A0 is nothing but the analog pin of the Arduino microcontroller. Then we will move on to the setup function. Setup function is nothing but setting up the pin mode of the function. So in this case I'm using only the output pin, but for this experiment it is not required for using an input pin. So only I'm only using an output pin, and in loop function I'm just declaring the button pin as high and low. High is nothing but the on state and low is nothing but the off state. I'm just alternately giving on and off state for the bulb by using a relay. So let's move on to the circuit diagram of the experiment. So this is the circuit diagram of the experiment I'm using. So I'm just giving the analog pin to the relay by using a resistor and NPN transistor. This is a bulb I'm using in this project. This is the relay, and I'm just connecting an alternating current with the relay and as well as the LED bulb. So let's simulate this experiment now. Okay, now you can see according to the relay, the bulb is turning on and off again and again. So according to our program, the bulb will get turned on and will wait for 500 microseconds and will get turned off and again will wait for 500 microseconds. Microseconds is essential, not seconds. It is only a microsecond. So this is the experiment I'm using for explaining this project. So let's move on to the GitHub repository again. So this is the theory part, and this is the program I used for explaining this project, and this is the circuit diagram I'm using in the Proteus, and this is the on and off status of this program, and finally the result is the relay is controlled using Arduino controller successfully. So that's all about this experiment. If you have any other doubts, just let me know. Otherwise, thank you.